Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hello. So you want to know more about species of snakes found in the rainforest? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about species of snakes found in the rainforest is Types of Snakes. Blogspot.com. See the page titled All Different Types of Snakes, blogspot.com. This is the link. You can also try Types of Snakes. Blogspot.com, especially the page All Different Types of Snakes, Amazon Rainforest Snakes. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see animals.pawnation.com. The web page Types of Snakes that live in the rainforest animals. Here's the link.